It looks like we're looking at the new model, the more affordable version of the Glideman. I have already featured the Glideman here in the channel. Now it's more affordable than ever. 154 cm blade with canvas and micarta, black scales on this one, and there are other color options available as well. Of course, this knife and every other knife you see in this video will be linked down below, so you guys can check out those prices, availability, and variants. Got a Ferramonster card there with all the details. Feel free to take a look at that. Backspacer is titanium. That's actually pretty impressive. There are all your measurements and everything, right? We got the maintenance paperwork and all that good stuff, and a nice, very high quality Velcro patch right here with the Ferramonster Gorilla going on there. And last but not least, we got the zipper pouch here. Let's see what this one is all about, shall we? Here we go. If you're ready, I'm ready. We also have a wiping cloth right in here as well, right? Branded wiping cloth, standard stuff. Nice pouch there, but you guys are here for the knife, and so am I. So let's see what this bad boy here is all about. If you're ready. Oh man. All right, so first impressions on this thing, yeah, this really reminds me a lot of the actual premium counterpart. So just for reference, this one came out as a full premium built with titanium handles and M390s. They're now making it a more affordable budget version here with the canvas micarta. I was gonna say it looked like G10 at first, but it's actually micarta going on here. So that's actually very interesting. We do have proud liners, and this bit right here, goldish backspacer, is the titanium bit right there. We have big hardware everywhere, deep pocket carry clip, about that much, into the pocket, and this reversible. How come it's not reversible? I don't know. It's actually not reversible, so keep that in mind. It seems like it would have been pretty easy to make the cutout on the opposite side there and make it a reversible knife, so perhaps a missed opportunity. But we do have multiple deployment options here, the flipper tab and the opening hole. So here we go. Bam. Oh man. Okay, so far actions feeling pretty good, right? Just like I remember the premium version feeling like. Oh yeah, that feels really, really good, you guys. Both reverse flick, which is my favorite. Thumb deploymenting. Thumb deployment. I didn't know thumb deploymenting is a word. So thumb deployment is actually feeling pretty good right there. Coming up with new words when I get too excited. Just start creating new words, adding them to a dictionary. Yeah, both thumb and reverse flick feel good. Flipper tab here also feels really nice. You can push button it, you can light switch it, or you can push button it as well. Both work really good. So let's check out the blade here. So we have 154 cm, so still a tier above, so let's say something like Nitro V, 14C28N, right? D2 obviously. So that is nice. We have a beautiful satin finish going on here with a flat grind, right? That's looking nice. Awesome finger choice situation, and plunge grind is about where my fingernail is, so you know you're gonna be able to get plenty of sharpens out of this guy, right? Pretty good there, and without getting a smile. All right, then we have the rest of the handle here, right? It's basically a 4-finger handle. I'm able to get a full purchase on this handle here, no issues whatsoever. With my average size hands, not the biggest of hands or smallest of hands, then I can forward choke right here, right? Just like that. Not only is it good there with the finger choil situation, but also my thumb rests perfectly on the blade right there as so. So that also makes it really nice, very control on the cut and whatnot. But there you have it, guys. Just a quick unboxing overview, right? This is not a full review in any way, shape, or form. Just kind of giving you an idea, right, what this knife is all about out of the box. It was just recently released. Guys, let me know what you love about this one. What do you like about it? What do you love about it? Is there anything you dislike about it, right? Let's hang out in the comment section down below. Would definitely love to hear your thoughts on it. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.